Hey guys, this is Seth with Raisin Wild Company. Today, doing a little product install on my F250 Tremor. We're doing a EMP protection kit. It's something I've looked at for a while. This doesn't exactly fall in line with the Raisin Wild Company and getting us outside and our kids outside, but we want to make sure in the event that something happens, we'd be able to do so. So the kit I have here and the kit I bought, after doing some research, I bought the t.r.a.p kit. It's made by Dr. Arthur. He's kind of a EMP expert. You can look him up. He's the EMP doctor here on YouTube. He's got a ton of videos. But I decided to go with this kit because I've got a diesel truck. I bought this kit from Faraday Defense. It comes with 2 of the t.r.a.p products that are for the battery. It comes with 1 of the t.r.a.p products, which is for inside the vehicle. And then it comes with 4 of the high saturation Faradays for the battery cables. When I first got the product, one of the ferrets, when we opened it, was actually broken. Reached out to Faraday Defense right away, and they sent me a new one within 2 days. So that's great because I'm actually going to end up using it. Big reason that I got this though was just with everything going on in the world. The last time they did an EMP study on vehicles was like 2006, and vehicles have only gotten more and more electronic, and I want to make sure that we're protected. So we're going to get this thing installed. It should take me about 5 minutes. Okay, so we're going to start. I'm going to explain the parts a little bit. So this is the high saturation car ferrite. Again, it's made by Dr. Arthur's group. He's a lot smarter than I am, but these go on the main battery cables and help protect the battery and also all the accessories that they go to. So they'll open up like this. You'll put them around the cable and then you snap them shut. You can then secure them more with like a zip tie or some electrical tape. This is the t.r.a.p. This is the original plug that he invented. These go in your standard cigarette lighters. He also has them for a 110. In this truck, I'm going to probably put it in the center console because it has a cigarette lighter in the center console. And then this is the t.r.a.p. B. It comes with a red and a black terminal on it. It's pretty easy to install. Goes straight onto the battery. And it does the same thing. It helps protect the battery and then all the accessories. Okay, so on this Ford truck, there's actually 2 batteries for the diesel. This is on the driver's side. The driver's side's a little different because it only comes with 1 accessory post, which is right here. However, for minor accessories, you can actually hook it up straight to here and here. So that's what we're gonna do real quick. I'm gonna hook the black one up first, then the red one. If you feel more comfortable, you could disconnect the battery first. I'm not too worried about it. Make sure you don't cross-thread it like I'm attempting to do right here. Okay, so I had to grab a pair of pliers to get that one off, but now it's easy. Red side on. Alright, we're going to put the 2 ferrites on. They just go over the battery cables. I'm going to put the black one here, where it's got just a little bit of room. And then I've already cut the red one back here. So when I cover this back up, I'll have enough room to put it right here. And that's the driver's side. We're going to do the passenger side now. Okay, so we're on the passenger side of the vehicle now. This battery does have accessory terminals on the battery, so we're going to hook up the t.r.a.p directly to that. Again, we're going to start with black first. we're going to do the red. Tuck these in under. We'll get it zip tied in. Now we're going to put the ferrites on. Now, the kit normally comes with 4. So you'd put one on the positive, one on the negative. On the passenger side here, there's a larger accessory cable coming off as well. So I'm actually going to use the broken ferrite, and with some electrical tape, I'm going to apply it to this accessory cable here, as well as putting one of these high saturation ferrites on the main positive cable. Again, they just open up and snap on. This is the accessory. Tape it better, and then we're going to put one down here. This is by far the toughest one to do. It's on. It's not going anywhere. Cover the positive up. We're going to go plug this into a cigarette port. Call it done.